Pagkatapos pagalingin ni Jesus ang taong may sakit, sinabi niya, umuwi ka sa pamilya mo. Go home to your family. Real healing takes place at home. At home with the family, at home with yourself, and at home with God. Una, at home with your family. There's no place like home, and there's no people like your family. Kahit gaano kalayo marating mo, kahit saan ka mapadpad, babalik at babalik ka sa pamilya mo. Kahit anong nangyari sa iyo, kahit anong ginawa mo, at kahit anong ginawa sa iyo, uuwi ka pa rin sa pamilya mo. Our family is not perfect, but it's the only one we've got. We can choose our friends, but we cannot choose our family. Our friends, they are our gifts to ourselves, but our family, it is God's gift to us. Kaya umuwi ka sa pamilya mo. Huwag mo nang hintayin na tumanda ka muna, o magkasakit ka, o maging alagain ka bago umuwi sa pamilya mo. Anong sabi ni Jesus? Go home to your family. Second, at home with ourselves. Yun bang tanggap mo na yung sarili mo? You have come to terms with yourself. You have come to terms with your past. At higit sa lahat, napatawad mo na ang sarili mo. Kasi kung minsan, napapatawad natin ng iba, pero hindi natin napapatawad ang ating sarili. Kaya, hindi ka pa rin magaling eh. May sakit ka pa rin eh. Be at home with yourself. Be at peace with yourself. Tanggap ka ng Diyos. Tanggapin mo ang sarili mo. At home with yourself. Pangatlo, at home with God. Tanggap tayo ng Diyos, tanggapin din natin ang Diyos sa ating buhay. Hindi lahat ng gusto natin nakuha natin. Hindi lahat ng plano natin natupad. Ngunit natupad ang plano ng Diyos para sa atin. Kababaan ng kalooban. Para amin natin na may Diyos dito sa mundo at may Diyos sa buhay ko. Parang si Maria, yuyuko tayo, magpakabawat sabihin, let your will be done. May Diyos sa buhay ko. Tanggap ko na siya. Kaya there will be no regrets. You'll be at peace with God. Kaya na tatlong bagay na sinabi ng ating Panginoon. You want to be healed? Go home. Go home to your family. Go home to yourself. And go home to God. You'll be at peace with your family, at peace with yourself, and at peace with God. And with that, you'll be just a step closer to heaven. Our true home. Please stand.